Okay, I'm gonna start working now. Okay, I work so hard of you. Si Magnet ay si Alex Minabro. Tama. Nasaan si Alex? Umuwi na siya. Ay, kala ko umuwi. I lost my toy. I was buying a button the Paris under the drop it. Could you please bring my to me? I'm not allowed to force myself. Bro, si ate anda nagbablog. Okay, I need to. This is the first time of my bunny. What happened to? Why she disappeared? I don't know. I'm gonna give him. Don sahur. Don sahur. Where's the bunny? Over there. Yeah. Okay, guys. I'm suspicious. She's suspicious over there. Bro, I'm serious. I'm serious.
Ano ginawa niyo kanina?
Ayos ko lang bigla.
Learning ko siya like mga things.
Saan? Dito?
Okay, guys.
Aalis daw po ng 30 daw po. Punta daw po sa may...
Oh, tingnan ko kung na-stuck tayo.
Ay, hindi po. Sa may chapel po daw.
Oh, kaya mo na mo. Bala ka. Hindi ka nakikinig.
Sa may San Roque daw po ng simbahan. Para daw
Si...
Aba.
Ilan kayo?
Okay?
I
know si to say.
May mga absent.
Pero ilan kayo sa Santiago magkampo?
Okay, guys.
Marami.
We need to collect this.
Nasa
Okay.
13th class po siguro.
Okay. Is it enough? Maybe I eat cook.
So sorry.
Oh, what type? You don't need to know. That's the dalawa. I'm suspicious. There's a rabbit tail on the street. Wait a minute.
Doon po kayo mamasal.
Oh, I told you guys.
Ang babae na lang.
Lalaki po na. Siguro pumunta ko sa may castle.
Oh, pupunta ko dito.
Sa may castle ba?
Di pa. Oh, baka kalimutan mo. Yung dun sa... Napunta ka na dun.
Yeah, I will check.
Wait, pag walang airship dito, bahala ka dyan.
Oh, this first city has curfew.
Oh my God, hila!
3 AM. Where are we going now? I know. Oh my God, they're all dead.
Alam ko, kita ko na yan. Ng January 22, 2025.
You know this game?
Oo, bahala ka. Di ba guys, naglaro ako na kanina pa.
Wait, there's a boat right here, right?
Hindi, sabi ko nga sa'yo eh, di ka pala napunta dun.
Where? But
siya!
What? You don't... Matanda mo sinabi sa akin. Kanina ka Jerry dito eh. What?
Di!
You're all dead. I'm dead.
Bala ka! Budantik sa'yo, bro!
Oh. They're cooking my body.
Nagiging ganyan ka yung face mo?
What? So sorry po pala. Kasi po, diba sinabi ko po sa inyo, diba, May 28 ako mag-aano ng, dun sa may Blue Cabin Stories, ng part 3 to 4, 8 to 5, diba? Ano? Sorry.
Bro.
Hindi ko siya
Bro.
matulog.
Oh my God, I see it.
Hindi ko siya matulog.
I'm scared of that. I'm scared.
Sa my next day.
Okay?
Because I'm practicing for my first communion. Bye-bye. Subscribe.
Wala ka na yung picture.
Once I was 7 years old.
You see God, guys? Someone kill him. It's the king buddy. Because all of this.
Once I was 7 years old.
Patay.
Bunny tail!
In this town. Your cursoriety has cursed. Yummy tea, yummy, yummy. Yummy, 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 yummy tea. Yummy tea, yummy tea. I stand for Bunny Tail.
Kailangan ko makapawi sa pamilya ko. Pagkakalin ako sa inyo eh. Sakali ako kung meron kong trabaho nagbisigay sa akin. Ako, tama-tama. Pinontak ako ni Lucio. May naalok na bagong trabaho sa akin. Kausapin daw kita. Tsaka si Leston. Binalita ako na lang na sabay na si Leston.
Ayos niya. Bye-bye, guys.